try to cover the maximum keywords that are possible in our title, and that should be relevant, that should be attractive, that should be grammatically correct. It doesn't mean like you can add the keywords randomly. You are adding 100 or 200 or maybe 10, 50, whatever keywords you want to target. There is a limitation. You cannot add more than that. So like you can add the keywords in your the titles. So and your description should be also very good. It should be attractive, and your that keyword that you're targeting in your title, that should be in your description as well. This is the most important thing. And whenever you're suppose you're targeting the most beautiful restaurant or the cafes or lounges, or you can say bars in Jaipur, so you should target that keyword in your description as well. And when it comes to your page, suppose I am clicking on this page. When I am on this page, there should be there should be that keyword should be on this page as well. If you are not targeting, you are not using that keyword on that page, it means this is the work of Google. It like crawl all the data, index all the pages, and it try to find out that keyword is on that page or not. It's like suppose let me give you a real life example. Suppose you are writing a blog or an article about how to make tea. So, and your title is good, like how to make tea in 10 steps or 5 steps kind of thing. You have it make it more interesting. So yeah, too easy in 2 easy steps, and your title is also very good. But to come on that position that you will get the click, like you want to come on third, fourth, or fifth, maybe in top 10, you have to write a very good content. How it will work actually, when you're writing the content, you have to mention about the tea making process. You have to mention some keywords like uh, you have to turn on the gas, or you have to like take some water here, just pour some like 1 teaspoon of like tea powder or some sugar, something like that. Content should be related to that. We um, we got the AI thing like few years back, but Google is like very smart. It is like judging the content by itself, like people are mentioning those keywords or not. If you are writing anything on your page, Google was always able to read that content. Is it relevant or not? So if it is not relevant, you will not get the benefit. You will not be ranked or Google on Google. So this is the main on page SEO I was telling about. And if I talk about the like off page SEO, the second part I mentioned. So sorry. So in like off page SEO, what happens? As I was telling, like there is a person who is telling people like right thing in Jaipur, or right restaurant, right gold shop, or right anything about Jaipur. But there are some small vendors also there who gain some trust of that people, that person, and they are also promoting some brands like XYZ brand, and Google know like these guys are like genuine, and I can like recommend their people, their shops as well. So this is how it is working. So if I talk about activity, so what we do in the off-page activity, we just post some link of our website or our product on other websites, and we mention about our product as well. There should be some content as well about our product. Suppose if I talk about like your university website, if I take the example, suppose your university is providing a BTech course, so there should be a guest posting. There can be backlinking about BTech. There should be some content like what kind of placement you are providing, what kind of curriculum you are providing, what kind of facilities you have for the BTech people. There should be a content of 100 or 200 words, and there should be a link of your website, the BTech page for the BTech page, and you can post that content or that information on any website that is having more DAPA than your website. Again, like you will not be aware of DAPA, domain authority and page authority. There are two things that website gain from Google, and there are some criteria for that. If you're working on any website very good, it is getting very good traffic and everything, you will get very good domain authority and page authority. And there are so many tools to check the domain authority. Yeah, let me show you how we can check the domain authority. So Moses is a like right thing that we can check. Suppose if I check you about your website. PG. We can check the domain authority and page authority here. You can see it's really good. So you can see over here, domain authority is like 35. Again, it is showing the page authority. Okay, this is for the only. So we have to go to another link. Yes. So here we can check both the things. So it's domain authority is one, page authority is again one. I think there is some issue with this actually. It should be more. Maybe this website is not showing the right result because this is like very basic. So there is a issue in this. So it's okay. So we can check domain authority and page authority like on any website. Let me try from any other tool. Okay, these are the sponsored results. So just because of this it is not showing the maybe right information. Again, I will show the. Okay, check the. Okay. I think I typed wrong.
Sir,
I
you can try vguonline.com.
okay. Okay, let me actually I typed the wrong domain over there. I typed VGA actually
vguonline.com.
online. Okay.
Yes.
So you can see over here, the domain authority is 10 and pay authority is 13. So you can see over here. So this is how we check the domain authority. And whenever we are like doing backlinking or we are doing guest posting on any website, it's like that website's domain authority and page authority should be higher than our website. So it's like we will not promote our product on any platform that is not better than us actually. We always ask to every ask to that person that is higher than us to promote our brand. So this is how it works. So this kind of activity comes in off page activity. So we whenever doing any kind of backlinking, guest posting or any blog posting on any other website, because maybe some there are some news websites are also there are some website who are charging for like guest posting. Even there is our project that is collegeisha.com. Let me show you that. This is our project. We are working on this project since last 5 6 years. So we charge around like X amount for the like guest posting. People are paying to us for the guest posting thing. So we are charging for that. So there are n number of platform, not only us. So people are charging a lot and they are doing so many things. So yes, so let it be. So third part is the technical SEO. If I talk about the technical SEO, what comes in technical SEO? We have to maintain the technicality of our website. It's like our like page speed and like design structure and all. Are we following all the structure like URL structure, like canonical issues fixed or not? Like suppose whenever we type, if I talk about your VG online, let me open that. Okay, let us work on this. So suppose this is the like domain, your VGU. If I'm just changing the URL, I'm removing the HTTPS, it it will be automatically redirected to your this with HTTPS. So this is the part of technical SEO. Let me show you some result of your website. This is for VGUAC.in. You can see over here. So there is a tool like page speed. And this is developed by like this is the Google tool, you can say. This is every SEO guy or every person who is working in this field is using this tool. So you can check the page speed and all from this. So you can see if I'm checking about your website, it is performance is 62. It is out of 100, and accessibility is like a 73, and best practice is this is 92, and SEO is 92. So this kind of like this is for mobile only. If I go for desktop, it will increase about the performance, because whenever your developer or teammates are working on the website, so sometimes they do not take care of the mobile or they take don't know care of mobile users. Because right now, if you will check the data of any website, it is having around 80 to 90% mobile users. So first of all, we have to, maybe 90 plus percentage right now, 95% users are using any accessing any website from the mobile only. So we should take care of mobile users very much. So, but still there are some complications, there are some limitations as well, because there are so many things that we cannot maintain on mobile views. So it is always there is always difference in like desktop and mobile. So we are very good in SEO, as I was telling. Let me show you our website structure that we are working on right now on this website, that is ecommerce.com. So what we are doing in this project, we are providing um, e-commerce services to the sellers. Suppose there are so many people from Jaipur. We have so many clients from Jaipur as well. People are selling some clothes and all. They are selling some footwears. People are selling medicines as well online. So we are maintaining their accounts on Flipkart, Amazon, Nykaa, Myntra. There are a number of platforms are there. We are maintaining quick commerce as well, like Blinkit, Zapto, Swiggy, Instamart, and all. If I talk about brands, we are maintaining Parag Food. I think you all will be aware of Parag Milk actually. So we are maintaining their Zapto as well. If I talk about the brands which we are managing. So yes, so I was talking about technical SEO. So in technical SEO, we manage such things. We are trying to maintain the like this part, accessibility best practices, practices and SEO part, because our first priority is right now to rank on Google on top, because we are getting very good leads, and like on daily basis we are getting like a number of leads, and we are doing very good actually. So I will show you the graph as well of this website to maintain the technical SEO, to work on the technical SEO. What we do, we have to use such tools so that we can check what kind of problems our website has. So you can see, if I talk about the desktop, there's a difference. We are performance is 57 on like mobile, and 65 on like desktop, and our accessibility is 91%, 96% best practice. There is not much differences there, and SEO is 92%. So if I talk about the SEO part, there are many companies who are working. This is our website I was showing you the result for. So you can see. So like on page is like we did a lot of research for this. Let me show you like, why this website is like this. So everything is is on this page is very researched. So this is why this is ranking. So I will show you the ranking as well. I will search with some random keywords. So this is our website. So maximize your sales, rank higher, increase. This is a very catchy line. People, any user, any customer, whenever like he or she will visit our website, he will be impressed with the like taglines that their sale will be increased and all. They will get very good ROI. There is a like contact information, contact medium is also there. People can easily connect with us. And after that, we have represented our clients right over here. These are the clients that we are managing right now. Again, what kind of services we are providing? Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho, Myntra, Nykaa, Zapto, Blinkit, and all. There are our top 10 e-commerce services in India that we are providing here. Okay. What make us best? This is about our like services, how we are best in the market, right? Again, there are few points we have covered over here. Our experience and agency members and all everything. Some reviews from the client and some FAQs should be there. So there are some FAQs. So everything the website structure should be, the SEO website should be a complete solution, so that whenever someone is coming on your page, he or she should has the complete information. There should not be anything incomplete, or there should not be any question left. If there is a question, if you think like there might be a question in your like customer or user's mind, there can be. So you can cover in that FAQ section. This is like very good section, because there are so many things that you cannot mention directly. So you can create a question for that, and after that you can answer that question over there. So that, and always try to cover your like best keywords, so that you can add maximum to maximum keywords in your like content. And there is again there is a like rule of Google. So we rule, or you can say there's some guidelines or algorithm. So you cannot use more than 2% or 3% density on your like page. What does that mean actually? If I talk about keyword density, density is the percentage of the keyword on your content. Suppose you are using 300 word of content, So you should not use the keyword more than 8, 9, or 10 times. If you are using keywords very repeatedly, that will that will come in spamming. Google can mark you as a spamming website that you are using a lot of keyword. So you have to maintain the keyword and your content ratio. So always target your keywords carefully. That will help you very much. So and try to make separate pages for your services as well, like as we are doing over here. The like I'm sorry, Flipkart. Flipkart, JioMart, Amazon, and all. So we are targeting our services like this. Again, we make a like city tab over there, so that we can target things according to cities. You can see we are targeting. Just wait, let me move this to yes. You can see. So we are targeting the things city wise. So again, I will. You guys are sitting in Jaipur, so I will search the keywords about Jaipur. So give me a few seconds. Okay, so there is e-commerce management services in Jaipur, Amazon, Flipkart, and Meesho. So if I'll search about this, so Amazon account management services in Jaipur. Sorry. So if I'm searching about this keyword, you can see this is the GMB part, the local things. Again, you see we are in top 10. We are ranking in top 10. We are on fifth position. And if you will search age of any domain, that will be more than uh, like uh, 5 years or 10, like last 5, 10 years, they will be doing the business. And let me tell you about our this company like e-commerce. We were I registered the company 13 years back, Belgian Technology Private Limited, and we were doing this business, this e-commerce business in under that actually. So but like last year we thought like this business is growing very good, we should register a separate entity for this. So we registered another company, that is Array IT Solutions Private Limited. And that and we registered that domain at that time actually. We just buy this domain at that time. So Phil, what happened actually, and we developed this website like only 8 to 9 months back, and we are ranking on any keyword. If you will search anything, like suppose you are searching uh Zepto onboarding process like this, we are ranking anything. If you will search blanket onboarding, we are ranking. If you search anything like mm, what are the in charge on Meesho, but like most search keyword, you can say we are ranking on first position. Let me show you the clicks on of our website as well. You can see over here. I think so. These are the tools. These are the free tools provided by Google. So there are so many students who are in this meeting, so they should be aware of that. Like how you can access the details, how you can be like so much knowledgeable, like how things are going on, how will you monitor your website. There are so many paid tools as well, but Google is the best solution, best free solution to maintain your such things. You can easily monitor how much traffic you are getting on a website. You can see how many, like what is your average position and how many clicks you are getting on your particular page. So if I this is like a 3 months graph, and let me show you 3 months back. This is a real graph, there is no fake. This is, I guess, let me refresh this. So I'm refreshing. So yes, so this is the search console of Google. Like so yes, so this is how it works actually. You can see 3 months back we were having 71 clicks on our website, and 9,313 impressions were there, and our average position was 7.4. And let me tell you about the average position. This is like a very critical thing. Average position mean like your every it will calculate for like it will calculate the average of your position on Google. If your one page is ranking on 20th position, it will impact your average position. So our average position is like was 7.4 at that time, and right now it is, you can say, average is 5.7, and we are on like 5.2 right now. You can see over here. And the maximum clicks we had on 23rd December, that was 238 clicks were there and 33,007 impressions were there. So we are growing this website rapidly, and we are working, we are doing really well in this. So if I talk about the pages, you can see over here list of non-returnable products on Amazon and Flipkart. You can see there are so many options in this panel. So if you are a student, or if you are like any person who want to rank your website, you can use these tools well. That will help you to know the analytics of your like website and how it is working. So it starts from queries. So you can say these are the keywords that people are searching: non-returnable items on Amazon, non-returnable products on Amazon, non-returnable products on Meesho, Meesho non-returnable. These are the n number of, like you can say, see, I can go to like 500, as you can see, people are searching like this. So yes, again, the second part will be the pages. And these are the pages of our website. You can see we got 3,652 clicks and 1,31,900 impressions. CTR is 2.8. This is really very good. And position is 4.0. So you can see this is how it is working. Meesho order not picked up and all. So these are the blogs. So again, like there's another topic in the frame, in the like you can say we should cover. Blogging is the very important thing, because you cannot cover all the keywords on your page. As I was telling, like Amazon account management services, and we can target this keyword on this page, and or suppose best BTech college. Let me discuss about your for your college website. Let me discuss about that. So suppose there is a keyword that is best BTech college in Jaipur. So you are trying to rank on that keyword, but yeah, you get the very good rank on that keyword, and students are clicking, and you're getting leads. But there is a there are some more keywords as well. You can target in the blog section, like top 10 BTech colleges in Jaipur. You can target affordable colleges, BTech colleges in Jaipur. You can target such keywords. So you have to think like what kind of searches can be there, how people can search. So these kind of topics are covered in like blogs only. So you can see what are the shipping charges for sellers on Meesho. So as I told you, like we are providing services to the sellers who want to sell their products on any platform. So again, they search about top 10 e-commerce companies in India. Zapto seller onboarding requirement process. People are searching about this. So Swiggy Instamart is there. So we are trying to cover every possible option in through our blogs also. So whenever you are building a website, you are working on any website, try to cover every possible keyword that can be on in your blog section, because you cannot cover every keyword in your page only. Because if I talk about the Zapto salon onboarding requirements, process, and more, so I cannot target in Zapto onboarding process in Jaipur, or Zapto onboarding process in uh, Delhi. I cannot target this keyword in those pages actually. So what we do actually, we cover those topics in blog section. So this is how it works. Again, I was in the I was explaining about the Google Search Console. So yes, so this is how it works. So again, the countries we can see, we are getting this much of clicks and impression from here. So there are a number of countries are there. People are clicking on our website. Their devices, you can see over here, uh, mobile, as I was telling you. Like maximum people are from the mobile, so 8,012 are from accessing from a mobile, then desktop, then tablet. Again, like this is not that much important, let it be. So this is how it works actually. So this was the analysis of the search console. With the help of this, you can maintain the quality of your website and all whatever you are doing. So as again, I will tell you, content is the king. So right now AI is in top, so people are using AI content. They are they think actually if they will do multiple, they will give multiple commands to AI, or they will give multiple prompt to AI or ChatGPT or Gemini or any tool they are using. They can write the content that will not be caught by Google. So it is not possible, according to me, according to my experience. We have content writing team over here. You can take the idea from the AI, you can take the idea from ChatGPT, or you can say Gemini, like what kind of format should be there. Suppose there are so many n number of topics are there. A content writer cannot be that much intelligent that he or she can write on any topic. There are thousands of industries are there. There are a lot of kind of companies are there. So they will not be aware of everything. So what happens? They can do some research with the help of ChatGPT. They can make a syntax, they can make some format with the help of ChatGPT, and after that they can write the content into that, or they can get some idea as well, because some there are few new things are also there. Suppose they are writing a content on any very new topic, and they are unable to find more data on Google about that. So they can take help from ChatGPT, or you can say Gemini, and after that they can rewrite the content by themselves. That will be the original content, because there are so many tools. With the help of that, you can check that content is original or not. So what we do in our company, we work like this. So you can see, like, we are ranking good, we are doing good. And because we are writing the original content, we have content writers in our like office. So there are SEO team is also there. SEO team monitor the content writers so that they are writing the right content or not. They check the content accuracy with the help of those tools. It is like original or not. So after that they post on the website. So we also take care of the images part. We always try to use the original images. There is a one more thing, let me tell you. It's you can say a little bit out of topic. If you are using any image on your website, and that is like that, actually, suppose you got an image, you search about students celebrating in a college. Suppose you are searching, you have to use an image on any blog on your website, and you search on Google, students are celebrating in college, and you got any image, you just download that image and use it on your website. What will happen actually? Suppose there is a company, sorry, there's a company like Image Bazaar or Prepic kind of company has the right to use that like copyright of that image. They can file a case against you. They will send you a like friendly email first, like normal, like informative email, that you are using our content, and we will take this action, and you have to pay for this and like this. So whenever you are using any image on your website, on any blog, you should check this image is copyright, or anyone has the copyright on that image or not. So we have some like licensed things. Actually, we have license of like for many websites, from where actually we download the images for our like work for our website, so that you will not get that kind of glitch as well in our like in your work. So again, I will tell you the SEO, the most important thing for the SEO is your content. That should be very informative, and people should be whenever someone is going through that content, it should be very knowledgeable. You won't believe, whenever my team, my content writing team write the content, I asked to my that team who are managing the accounts clearly, really they are managing. So I asked that team, come with the content writers, and help them to write the content, so that everything should be very accurate, because content writer will read on the websites. Because what we found actually, so when our content writer started writing content on such topics like what are the documents required for Zepto onboarding. Let me search that keyword actually. um, I'm searching this on Google first time. So this sample actually, you can see, I wish, I think we will be ranking on this keyword as well. So you can see we are on second position. So yes, so what are the required documents? There are so many people who will be searching for Zapta onboarding, and when our team was writing such content, so there was no website who was mentioning the things very clearly. So what we do, we did the research, because our team was already managing multiple Zapto accounts. So we try to find the list from there, and everything we mentioned very clearly. Let me show you this page as well. So you can see that your title should be very attractive, very clear, neat and clean. you have to take care of the font size as well, what you are going to mention on the website. So again, you can see over here in this article what we will cover. Very, you have to talk very like point to point, or information should be very crispy. Again, like there is a no extra content. You can, like within like 2-3 seconds or maybe 5 seconds, you can easily reach to the required documents. You can say GSTIN, PAN card, trademark, FSSA license, address proof, bank account, business registration document. So it is very easy. After that, you can say we are doing the internal linking on our web for like of our website. This is our page. You can see it is showing at the bottom, ecomare.com/Zapto account management services. So to open your account, like I feel if there is a possibility, like according to Google, suppose there is a person who entered in a shop, and in clothing shop, he entered and he pick a pant. Suppose there is a trouser or jeans, whatever he picked, and after a few seconds he switched to the like shirt as well. He's looking for shirts, trousers and shoes and all. It means that shop is like relevant, right? So this is how it works. This is how this internal linking works. So suppose you are on this page, and you clicked on this page, Japto Seller, yeah, from here you can apply very easily, and you can read some more information from here. Again, I will go back. Suppose there is a again Zapto partner. Click on the registration now page. We have mentioned the exact page. The right information. Right information should be there. We have mentioned the zapto.co.in URL over here. If any seller will click on that link, it he or she will reach directly to the Zapto onboarding portal, and he can do the onboarding. So it is also building the trust that we are sending the user at the right place, right? As I was telling you, there's a person in Jaipur who is guiding people to reach the right destination or the gold shop or restaurant and whatever. So if I am like building the trust, like in front of that guy, so I should treat every customer very well. I have to, suppose there is a person who comes to my restaurant, and suppose I'm a restaurant owner, and he's asking something like South Indian dishes or something like that, and I'm not cooking those things in my restaurant. I will guide him to go to the right place, the famous place, who is the like best place for the South Indian food. So this is also the part of the right work. And in the like for Google, you are doing the fabulous job, and Google will help you to like go higher in the terms of ranking. So this is how it is going to work. Again, like you can see, upload the required documents over here. You need to upload the documents required by Zapto, such as GST, PAN card, and all. So PAN card is like very basic. Like everyone has a PAN card, but people do not have the GST. So we write another blog for that actually. So from here, if someone will click on GST, they will be able to see how they can apply for GST. So they can easily read this part as well. So this is how it is working. So this is the total like conclusion is, if you are writing anything, any content on your website, if you want to rank your website higher, you should give the complete information. There should not be anything missed, because if you are missing anything, maybe you will rank for some time. After some time, if there will be a good player in the market, or or another person in the market, if he will cover all the topics, you will be in trouble. You will see like your website is going down, and you are not getting good clicks and all. So this is how it works. So first of all, like the most important thing, I have seen many like many of my known, like I guided them to write some content. They did not do any kind of off-page activity. They just write very good content on their website, and uses right images, and very engaging content was there. And they got first position on the Google on very tough keywords. So it doesn't matter how you are working, and what kind of information you're going to provide. I mean, like what kind of topic you are covering, but your content should be very relevant for that topic actually. So do some research, take some time, try to post only one blog, or try to build only one page in 2 days, instead of posting four blogs in one day or 2 day. Do not use the AI content, and try to use the that content, like pure and 100% like original content, that would help you to rank your website on Google. So yeah, if you have like, this is all from my side. I think actually there's a time foundation is there. So it's again almost 50 minutes has passed. So it's okay. So guys, if you have any question, you can ask me. If you still have anything you want to know, you can reach me through LinkedIn or like Instagram or anything. You will find my LinkedIn profile. I will guide you to rank your website or any question that you have. So yes, guys. So if you have any question, you can ask me.
Okay, thank you so much, sir, for providing your insights on the this basic and very impactful topic, SEO. So now I would like to invite our learners so that if you have very related query related to this session, I'm just enabling the chat. Kindly put your queries over the chat, and we will take them one by one. So yes, you can put your queries over the chat. And please note the related query should be related to this session only, okay? And if any learner wants to interact with sir directly, they can also raise their hands.
Yes, guys, you can discuss anything.
Yes. Okay, so sir, one learner has raised his hand. I'm enabling him.
Yeah, sure, sure.
Yes, Rahul, you can unmute yourself and you can ask your query. So, sir, we have one question from the Kanishk. What about backlinks? People generally build low quality backlinks. Also, tell me your top three clients in which you are proud of.
Okay. Actually, okay. If I talk about the high quality backlinks, and let me tell you the difference between low quality and high quality backlinks. So what happens? I already told you, if you are going to create any kind of backlink, always try to find a website that is having more DAPA than you. So first of all, if you are targeting a website, if its DAPA is more than 50, that is a like very good website, and you can easily, I'm sorry. So you can easily, if you will make the backlink on that website, you will get a very good benefit from that. So if I talk about the our clients, so yes, there is a Pax Granite is there. There's again US client is, that is our US client, and there is Shield Defense College in Lucknow, that is also very one of our good client. There's a Bhiwani Public School is there, so I'm showing actually some education related projects. So because you guys are like studying right now, you are also in college. So yes, there are. If you talk about three clients, I will mention these clients. There are Shield Defense College in Lucknow, and there is another product of that of them actually, that is Shield Global School, that is running by them only. And there is a Bhiwani is there in Bhiwani, and Apex Granite outlet, that is from US, and we are managing that project right now. So we are doing SEO. We are also developing their website from Shopify to like .NET. Right now we are switching their technology.
Okay. So, sir, next question is, are there any chances that through AI we can do all the work of SEO from Akshay?
Actually, you cannot do all the work. You could get some suggestions actually, because Google is like master. You can say he's like Google is king actually. So if you are doing any like a tool for the like you're writing the content through AI, you're creating the images through AI, even if you're using videos through AI, Google know this is the AI videos. And there are so many like compliances that people are raising hand, like it will you can say, yeah, it will eat the like many jobs and all. So Google is taking care of that part also actually. It's as I started with the conversation. Google, suppose there is a person, suppose I'm a person who is building my image in the market, so that people can ask me. So I will maintain the balance. If people will use the AI content so that they can write hundreds of blogs on daily basis. Suppose I will ask 10 people to sit over here, you have to post 10 blogs on daily basis. It will they will create a lot of content, they will post a lot of content. So it will make the like very bad impact, right? So Google has to maintain the quality and the quantity as well. So it is like Google is making the balance, so you cannot do all the work through AI. You can take the help, you can get some solutions. Yes, you can do only this level, up to this level only.
Okay, so sir, next question is from Samir. Can you please elaborate on audit points in SEO?
Okay. So like audit point, there are so many websites. With the help of that, first of all, you should check the content, and you should check the title as well of the website. Are you covering the right keyword in your title, and are you covering the right keyword in your description? And you should, if I talk about the audit part, you should check your technical SEO. So in technical SEO, the most important thing is your .stxs file if you are using Linux server. And what we do in .stxs file, we use the redirection things. So what do you mean by redirection thing? There are so many pages, like as I was removing the HTTPS, the canonical issue, if you are aware of that. If you are removing the URL from, like, if you are someone is typing suppose vgu.ac.in only, it will automatically be redirected to https://www.vgu.ac.in. So this is the part of like a technical part. So it should be done through .stxs. And is your website is redirecting or not properly? If it is not redirecting to that URL, it will be indexed with multiple URLs. Suppose I will type www. vgu.ac.in, and someone will type only vgu.ac.in, and someone will type https://vgu.ac.in. So Google will index every URL, and it will be counted like four different websites. So it will impact your website ranking. So this is a part of the audit thing. And the sitemap is also very important. There are two types of sitemap are there. I will discuss about the XML, because this is not the interview question right now. Because whenever I ask the candidate about in the interview, so they try to explain the HTML sitemap, and also that is not that much important. XML sitemap is very important. People are not aware of that. What they do, there are so many website available. You will enter the URL, and they will provide you the sitemap instantly. And what will happen? That sitemap is the AI based. You can say the automatic sitemap. So there are so many important points are there that you can add it by yourself. It's like priority of the pages. Your homepage should be prioritized by one, ranking one, and other pages by 8.8. You can apply the first is the highest priority, so you should give to your homepage. And after that you can another, like, second position you can give to point 8, point 8, point 8, and point 6, point 5. According to that, you can just do that. And again, there's a frequency thing is there in your sitemap. What happens, we have to tell the Google crawler how soon it should index our website or crawl our website. So within that, we mention daily, monthly, weekly, and I'm pretty sure maybe some of you will be doing the digital marketing course from any coaching, or nobody will tell you this thing. Even if you'll ask to your teacher as well, maybe like he or she will stuck in that. So they do not go that deep, so that they can change that priority and frequency thing in that. So again, so there is a heading part is also very important. Are you using the right headings? You should use H1 heading only once. You should target your most primary keyword, the primary keyword that you want to target. Suppose best BTech college in Jaipur. So you should target your that keyword in H1 heading. Your Then after that you can there is a secondary keyword you can target in your S2 heading. It will work like this. So these kind of things are done in that audit part, so that you can do in that way. And if you have any question, you can ask me regarding this.
Okay, so sir, we have last question from Diksha, and she has a very interesting and practical question. She is asking, sir, in my last firm, I used Google Ads, but after adding money company don't receive any type of calls. I don't know why. How can we check our Google ads or Meta ads?
Okay. Okay. So what happens actually whenever there is a new guy or like new person, because the guy who is managing Google Ads, he has around 10 years of experience who is working in our company. Sorry, he's also managing the Meta Ads, so he's very good in that part only. So he's working since last 5 years in our company, and before this he was also having 5 years more experience, so around 10 years of total experience he has. So what happens in coaching centers, or there are so many people who just trying to learn these advertisements. They just started spending money on Google directly, just because sometimes what happened actually. We also gave the chance. It is a little bit personal. Let me tell you. Few years back, we had a new guy, and we gave him a chance. This you have 10,000 of daily budget, and run some advertisement. You are free to do anything to do the research. We want you to do some research, and so that you will be very good. You will be like very good in like within 1 week or 10 days. Like we will invest for 1 week or 10 days. So what happened actually? He burned a lot of money, and we were getting very like useless leads from people who were saying like, "Is this a job of Anganwadi?" or is it a like government job or something like that. There's a very relevant things were going on. So whenever you are targeting, you're running a Google ad. So there are a few things are very much important. First is like keywords that you're targeting, right? So the key there is a like a number of options at the time you are targeting the keywords and you are making the Google campaign. So your keyword should be very much like you can say accurate, because you are going to pay the money. Organic thing, actually you don't no need to worry about organic part. You will get the traffic. You will It will add some value in your website. But at the time of advertisement, you are not going to spend any single penny, just like that. So you just use your keywords, target your keywords very carefully, and always make a very good landing page. Your landing page should be very good over there, and there should be right content on the first impression. Because what happens whenever you are visiting any website or click on any advertisement, so your first impression, that 2 seconds or 1 second should be very much impressive. Just do some research, take AI help for that. You could take AI help for that, like what kind of page should be there at the like for Google Ads, something like that. So it will guide you, like it should be very attractive. It should be like very clear. You should not, you're not supposed to add a lot of content over there so that people are just reading that, or it is not clearly visible. So you should use right font size, less content, some infographics, so that people can easily understand what is all about, and there should be some contact information part as well, like your form, your phone number, your WhatsApp button, something like that. So if you are not getting leads, just check your that form as well. Is it working properly? Because it has happened so many times. We have like checked our clients. They were running some advertisements, but their contact us form was not working sometimes. The phone number was the WhatsApp button was not working there, and they did not mention the right phone number. These are very small mistakes people do. They mention different number in their advertisement, and they mention different number on their website. So these are the basic reasons, like just try to use right keywords, make good landing page. You will get the you can say right leads actually. If you or And there is a one more thing, you should use the right age category as well. Suppose you are running an advertisement for the college, so you should calculate the things. Students age will be around 16 years, 16 to 17 years will be the age of every student, on an average. From It will start from 16 to 17 years. And the parent whose son or daughter is studying in a 12th class, or maybe going to enter in the graduation, his or her age will be around 40, 45. Around 40 to 45 will be the age. So we have to maintain that criteria as well, that the age target, the targeted audience age should be 16 to 17 to around 45 to 50. So you should target that age range as well, so that you will get the accurate information, accurate leads. So anything else, any question?
Okay, thank you very much, sir. And yes, we have sir, lots of queries of this interesting topic. Sir, I think you are on mute.
Oh, sorry. No, I'm not.
Yes.
You can ask anything actually. If you have any question, I'm
Yes.
here to
So,
answer.
sir, we will take remaining queries in our feedback form, which I have shared over the chat box. And
Sure.
in that, we will share to you. Okay. So, I have shared the feedback form over the chat box. You can see that. Kindly fill this. And if you have any other remaining queries or some queries which are remain unanswered, we will take them. We will share with the sir, and you will get the best possible answer over your queries. So, as we move towards the session, to conclude the session, now I would like to invite for the vote of thanks Dr. Yogendra Pal, Head of Education Technology at CDOE VGU. With a PhD from IIT Bombay and over 15 years of experience in educational technology, digital learning, and faculty development, Dr. Pal has played a key role in advancing inclusive, technology driven education. His contributions span platforms such as IIT Bombay X and pioneering initiatives like Learn by Watch, along with the collaborations with institutions like BITS Pilani, Amity University, and the Malviya Mission, where he has empowered educators to effectively leverage digital tools. So, sir, now I would like to invite you for the vote of thanks to our guest.
Thank you very much, Soumya. And I would like to thank Janendra Kumar sir for giving such an insightful talk, taking such a practical session, showing everything, every detail, even explaining how his company is working in these things. And he does not only take examples from one particular field, but he took examples from almost every field, whether it was restaurants, or it was clothing company, or it was e-commerce company, or educational institutes. So that shows the experience that he has, and it is reflected in the talk itself. When we receive the question answers from the students, we come to know that students were actively participating, actively listening to the talk. And obviously, there are many unanswered questions. Don't worry about it. You have a SEO course, so you will get all the answers when the time comes. And when I first requested Mr. Janendra Kumar to take a session for our student, although he's very busy, as you know, running three companies is not an easy task. But he said that, yes, I will definitely take the session and I will try to help the students. So, and we have seen this, that he came prepared and put almost all the data in front of us. And he didn't hide anything, whether it was taking the name of the companies directly or telling about the clients. That's a big thing. Okay, nobody do that. So I believe we will definitely gain help from this session. Students, they have already understood many things. I also found that these learnings which are shared by Mr. Janendra Kumar can be used in our websites as well. Right now, all the faculty members are writing blogs. So some of the things we can take from him, from his session, and we can definitely try to apply this in our blog posts. So with this, I would like to thank Dr. Janendra Kumar to uh, help us and take the session for our students. Thank you very much, sir, for taking the session, and we will definitely invite you for future sessions. Thank you very
Yes.
much.
For this opportunity, thank you, Mr. Yogendra, and thank you, Soumya. Thank you, VG University. Thanks a lot.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you so much, sir. Thank you, Yogendra sir, and thank you to the Janendra sir. And thank you to our learners also for actively participating in this throughout the session. And kindly check your chat, learners. I have shared the feedback form there with our social media handles like of Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. So you can follow us. You should be very updated that what next we are planning. This was the week 3. Now we are planning for the week 4 for more such practical and interesting topics. So thank you to our guest, our speaker, and our learners and the faculty members. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Recording stopped.